If you want to make a website with GoDaddy, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the full step-by-step process to get your site up and running, even if you're starting from scratch. This is a simple beginner-friendly method, and by the end, you'll know how to set up your website, customize it, and get it ready to publish. If this tutorial helps you, go ahead and hit like, and make sure to subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to GoDaddy.com, then sign into your account. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one first, but once you're signed in, you'll land in your GoDaddy dashboard. From there, look for the My Products section. This is where GoDaddy keeps all of your services, domains, and website tools in one place. Next, click on Set up a free website. GoDaddy will then guide you into its website builder flow. This is the part where you choose what kind of website you want to create. For this tutorial, select Sell with an online store because that gives you a strong starting point if you want a business site with products or services. After that, GoDaddy will ask you to choose a store type. Search for clothing and apparel store and select it. This helps the website builder preload a layout and style that fits that kind of business, which saves you time later. Once you've chosen that, you'll be prompted to enter the name of your store. Type in the business name you want your website to display. Then GoDaddy will ask for contact details. You can enter your phone number and email, or just fill in one of them and continue. This information helps set up your site and business profile properly. After that, you may see a section that says, "Tell us a little about your business." You can fill this out if you want GoDaddy to better tailor the website setup, or you can skip it if you want to move faster. Now, the builder will start creating your site automatically. This is where GoDaddy generates the initial layout based on the details you entered. Give it a moment to finish, and once it loads, you'll have a starter website ready to edit. From here, you can click directly on different elements to customize them. You can change text, update images, adjust sections, and make the design match your brand. You can also change the theme if you want a different look and feel. This is useful if you want your site to appear more modern, more minimal, or more colorful, depending on your brand style. After that, you can connect your own domain if you already have one, or purchase and connect a new domain through GoDaddy. That's an important step if you want your site to look professional and be easier for visitors to remember. Once everything looks good, take a final review of your pages, your content, and your store details. Make sure your contact information is correct, your sections look clean, and your site branding feels consistent. Then you can publish the site and make it live for the world to see. And that's it. You now know how to make a website with GoDaddy from start to finish. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.